In the lower part of this case is an interesting military set. Now this is really a piece of radar. This is the APN-1 Radar Altimeter, and it was used, it's called a low altitude altimeter because it was only useful up to about 4,000 feet. But it was very practical and a very important duty, and that would be anti-submarine patrol, where the fighter plane or the bomber, whichever the case may be, needed to fly a constant altitude over the ocean at a pretty low height. So the pilot could set in the height that he wanted by the switch on the right, and he could monitor the altitude by this meter and hook it up to his autopilot, so the plane would automatically fly at a constant altitude, say 500, 1,000, 1,500 feet, while he searched the sea for submarines that might be up trying to charge their batteries. Now this is an FM radar altimeter, probably the first one of its kind, again designed and built by RCA as well as others. Very interesting set, using the FM principles to develop the altitude. There are two antennas here. One would be on one wing and the other would be on the other wing, and one is a transmitting antenna and the other is the receiving antenna. And the set would transmit about a 400 megahertz signal straight down. When it hit the ocean, it would reflect back up into the receiving antenna, and by comparing the transmit and the receive signal, the altimeter would develop the actual height of the aircraft. This was a very important piece of equipment throughout the World War II.